Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of having a perfectly manicured, vibrant green lawn that stays flawless every single day of the year, completely untouched by weather, weeds, or muddy paws? Today we are diving deep into the world of artificial turf lawn landscaping. At its core, artificial turf landscaping is the strategic integration of premium synthetic grass with thoughtful architectural and botanical elements to create a functional, highly aesthetic outdoor environment. It is far more than just laying down a green carpet. It is a modern approach to exterior design that blends synthetic engineering with natural hardscapes, gravel accents, and curated plant life to mimic the lushness of nature while eliminating the traditional chores of yard maintenance. Choosing artificial turf for your property comes with a massive wave of practical and financial benefits that traditional sod simply cannot match. First and foremost, it saves you an immense amount of time and water, allowing your home to remain eco-conscious, especially in drought-prone regions, while drastically slashing your utility bills. There is no more exhausting weekend mowing, no tedious weeding, and zero need for harmful chemical fertilizers or pesticides, making it a perfectly safe and clean environment for both children and pets. Furthermore, synthetic turf offers unmatched durability and impeccable drainage, meaning it handles heavy foot traffic, intense summer sun, and torrential downpours without ever turning into a patchy, muddy mess, effectively elevating your property's value and aesthetic appeal instantly. The secret to making artificial turf look incredibly beautiful and organically integrated into your landscape is all about contrast, texture, and shape. Instead of laying down a basic, rigid rectangle of green, design your turf with flowing, organic curves bordered by concrete brick pavers, natural stone accents, or clean landscape timber boundaries. Contrast the deep, uniform green of the synthetic grass by surrounding it with wide garden beds filled with multicolored river rocks, gravel, or darkwood mulch. To inject life and movement into the space, frame your synthetic lawn with a mixture of drought-tolerant ornamental grasses, architectural shrubs, and vibrant perennials that break up the symmetry and trick the eye into seeing an ultra-luxurious, natural oasis. To elevate your synthetic lawn from a simple grass patch to a high-end designer space, you need to incorporate the right structural and decorative items. Large, weathered accent boulders and natural flagstone stepping stones are essential for grounding the space and establishing an authentic earth-born feel. Integrating premium outdoor features like a custom stone fire pit, clean concrete water fountains, or a sleek modular lounge sofa creates designated functional zones that draw people into the yard. Finally, don't overlook the importance of low-voltage LED landscape lighting. Installing well-placed uplights under nearby trees or pathway step lights will cast dramatic shadows across your flawless turf, making your landscape look just as breathtaking at midnight as it does at noon. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best artificial turf lawn landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. One. Desert-inspired front yard xeriscaping with synthetic lawn accent. This front yard showcases a brilliant masterclass in low-maintenance desert xeriscaping. A beautifully curved patch of vibrant synthetic turf acts as a central green island, sharply defined by a smooth brick paver border. Surrounding the turf is a rich tapestry of golden gravel, multicolored river stones, and large accent boulders. Drought-tolerant plantings, including small palms, ornamental agaves, and structural shrubs, are meticulously arranged to provide organic depth against the home's stone-clad architectural facade. 2. Pristine suburban front lawn with expansive curb appeal. This design embraces the ultimate classic suburban dream with a sprawling, immaculate front yard blanketed entirely in rich, uniform artificial turf. The vibrant green carpet flows effortlessly up to a multi-textured brick and siding home. A beautifully curated garden bed, defined by stone edging and filled with darkwood mulch, hosts a young deciduous tree and lush flowering shrubs, proving that synthetic grass can perfectly frame and enhance living botanical elements. 3. Modern minimalist courtyard with concrete stepping stones and fire pit. Perfect for contemporary homes, this backyard layout features a long, flawless stretch of artificial turf split by a precise pathway of oversized rectangular gray concrete pavers. The clean geometric lines lead directly to an elevated stone patio hosting a sleek, modern square fire pit. The entire perimeter is flanked by dark gravel borders, minimalist boxwood shrubs, and a tall wood privacy fence, creating a highly structured, sophisticated outdoor room. 4. Luxury hardscape oasis with central turf inset and water feature. This sophisticated backyard retreat seamlessly balances hardscaping and soft textures. A perfectly rectangular panel of synthetic turf sits in the center, acting as a soft barefoot zone surrounded by smooth concrete patio tiles. The space is fully loaded with luxury outdoor living features, including a plush wicker sectional sofa, an outdoor kitchen bar, comfortable lounge chairs, and a stunning contemporary concrete tiered waterfall feature flanked by dark planters. 5. Sun-drenched Mediterranean travertine patio with integrated turf zones. This resort-style backyard utilizes expansive light-colored travertine stone tile to contrast against crisp geometric cuts of artificial turf. A tropical palm tree grows from a dedicated square cutout within the turf, while a cozy outdoor living area with dark wicker seating sits around a stone fireplace. A checkered paver and turf grid pattern leads your eye toward the rest of the property, offering a sun-soaked high-end look. 6. Sinuous living borders with multicolored river rock garden beds. This backyard layout masterfully uses fluid, winding lines to establish a deeply relaxing and natural feel. The bright green artificial turf lawn is carved into an elegant, flowing shape bordered by interlocking stone pavers. The remaining space is filled with an extensive bed of smooth, multicolored river stones, which beautifully highlights a central circular tree island and low-maintenance ornamental grasses planted along the property walls. 7. Geometric paver grid patio with luxury poolside view. This expansive outdoor living area features a stunning, large-scale checkerboard grid pattern composed of square artificial turf sections seamlessly laid between dark stone pavers. This clean, modern pattern provides an eye-catching transition from the house toward a luxurious, custom-shaped swimming pool and elevated stone retaining walls. The structure is accented with sculpted evergreen trees and a built-in outdoor cooking station. 8. Circular zen lawn with tiered timber retaining walls. This backyard design centers around a perfect, striking circle of synthetic grass that creates a serene focal point within the landscape. The circular lawn is ringed by a gray brick border and nested inside a wide path of light gray pea gravel. A beautiful curved retaining wall built from vertical timber posts holds back a lush, tiered garden overflowing with dense green trees, silver foliage, and colorful flowers. 9. Resort-style poolside lawn with shady canopy trees. This design demonstrates how artificial turf can create a flawless, chlorine-resistant lounge area directly adjacent to a backyard swimming pool. The deep green lawn provides a soft, cool surface underfoot that extends up to a smooth concrete pool deck. Mature shade trees and tropical palms frame the water, while large umbrellas and lounge chairs offer a perfect, low-maintenance paradise for sunbathing and relaxation. 10. Sculpted terraced hills with dry creek rock bed. This highly creative landscape design tackles a sloping backyard by using artificial turf to cover rolling, sculpted earth mounds. Running through the center of the lush, rolling green hills is a beautifully dry creek bed made of mixed river stones and large natural boulders. This artistic layout mimics a natural mountain stream landscape, providing an incredibly dynamic, high-contrast visual experience without any of the typical mowing difficulties on slopes. Transforming your yard with artificial turf lawn landscaping is one of the absolute best investments you can make to elevate your home's exterior design while reclaiming your personal free time. Whether you choose a sleek geometric paver layout or a flowing, natural stone-bordered oasis, synthetic grass offers an ultra-luxurious look that lasts for years to come. Which of the top 10 turf ideas from today's video was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this inspiration helpful. Subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more incredible exterior design guides. And turn on notifications so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.